Ever wondered why it's called morning sickness when it can strike at any time of the day? It's one of those quirky mysteries of pregnancy, isn't it? But more importantly, how can you quell that queasy feeling so you can focus on the joy of expecting a new life? Let's dive into some remedies that are effective in combating morning sickness. Firstly, ginger. This humble root has been a trusted ally for centuries in soothing upset stomachs. Sip on ginger tea, nibble on some ginger biscuits, or even suck on ginger candies. It's a natural, tasty way to keep nausea at bay. Secondly, consider the power of peppermint. The cooling sensation of peppermint can help to alleviate nausea. Sip on peppermint tea or simply inhale the aroma of peppermint oil for a quick relief. The third remedy to consider is vitamin B6. Studies have shown that this vitamin can significantly reduce nausea in pregnancy. But of course, always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. Fourthly, hydration is key. Dehydration can often exacerbate feelings of nausea, so keep a water bottle close by and take small sips throughout the day. The fifth remedy is to eat small, frequent meals. An empty stomach can often trigger morning sickness, so keep those hunger pangs at bay with small portions of bland, high-protein foods. Finally, the power of distraction. Sometimes the simplest remedies are the most effective. Engage in a light activity, like reading or listening to music, to take your mind off the nausea. In summary, morning sickness is a common but uncomfortable aspect of pregnancy. However, with a few handy remedies like ginger, peppermint, vitamin B6, staying hydrated, eating frequent small meals, and the power of distraction, you can effectively manage this condition. Remember, every pregnancy is unique, so what works for one person may not work for another. But with a little trial and error, you're sure to find relief. And of course, always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new treatments. After all, your health and the health of your little one is of utmost importance. It's all part of the incredible journey of bringing a new life into the world.